Leichtbau Maier was an independent German automobile project developed in the early 1930s by Berlin-based engineer Friedrich Eugen Maier. Long before mass motorization became official state policy in Nazi Germany, Maier was already designing a lightweight, affordable, family-sized car that incorporated construction principles decades ahead of their widespread adoption. Maier, a trained Diplom engineer with experience in aircraft construction, began filing automotive patents as early as 1930. Among the most significant was a patent for a self-supporting closed steel car body, effectively a monocoque structure, submitted in 1932. This eliminated the need for a separate ladder frame and significantly reduced weight while increasing torsional rigidity. At the time, such designs were virtually unknown in series production. In 1933, Maier secured funding of approximately 300,000 Reichsmarks from a Bavarian industrial concern and established a workshop at Sommeringstrasse in Berlin-Charlottenburg. There he developed a single full prototype, designated LM050135, completed and roadworthy by January 1935. The car featured a rear-mounted 20-horsepower DKW two-stroke engine, independent suspension, a height-adjustable undercarriage, and a fully adjustable driver's seat, an ergonomic innovation patented in 1938. Unladen weight was just 684 kilograms, yet the car offered space for 4 to 6 occupants in a fully enclosed, streamlined body. The prototype closely matched later Volkswagen Beetle concepts in layout and purpose, but was developed independently and earlier. Despite its technical maturity, the Leichtbau Maier project was sidelined after the German government awarded the official People's Car contract to Ferdinand Porsche. Maier was reportedly ordered to remain silent, and several of his patents were confiscated or disappeared from German records. From 1936 onward, Maier's workshop was used for Wehrmacht vehicle repairs. Attempts to collaborate with DKW on the F9 model collapsed due to patent conflicts and financial disputes. After the war, Maier lived in poverty and spent decades unsuccessfully seeking recognition for his inventions. The sole prototype survived bombing, neglect, and multiple ownership changes. It appeared as a film prop in the 1970s and was rediscovered in 2008 by automotive expert Jörg Janssen, who restored it to running condition and reconstructed its history through archival research. Today, Leichtbau Maier is recognized as a technically advanced and historically significant precursor to modern unibody automobile design. Its innovations, once ignored, are now standard across the global automotive industry.